Bahay na complete finish, malapit sa lahat, gaya ng SM Santo Tomas, SNR, private and public schools, and hospital.
Hello mga ka-Dream Home Vibes! I'm Annalyn of your Dream Home Vibes and this is my husband.
Hello, I'm Ian, accredited salesperson of Yesland Realty.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Hacienda del Sol located at Pagaspas, Tanawan. Tara, sasamahan namin kayo para ipakita ang turnover unit ng Azalea model.
This is Azalea Townhouse with 60 square meter lot area and 51 square meter floor area. With grills on windows and spacious living area with countertop and aluminum kitchen cabinet. Pagdating mo naman sa service area, kasama na din sa turnover itong ating fence. Dito sa toilet and bath, may complete pictures na rin po tayo sa turnover ng ating unit. Since complete turnover ang ating unit, may kasama na itong 2 bedrooms and tiles sa second floor. Dito nga sa Hacienda del Sol, may amenities gaya ng basketball courts, parks and playgrounds. At alam mo ba na loanable ito up to 30 years sa Pag-ibig
If
Financing.
interested, just call or message your Dream Home Buy page.
Pangarap niyong bahay ay matutupad kasama ang Your Dream Home Vibes.